Hello. Hi, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, March 15. So, March 15 is the deadline for your business tax return. Now, not any business, it's going to be the deadline for your business return if you are an S Corp, if you are in a partnership, and also it will be the deadline to elect S corp to do an S corp election. So these three deadlines today, it just happened to be today. So hi Brittany. So if you haven't filed your S corp return or your partnership return, then you have to file today. If you cannot file today for any reason, maybe you did not have your bookkeeping, maybe you did not have time to do it, so you just missed it. It is time to actually do an extension. You can do an extension. So the extension due today, because if you have not filed an extension and did not file at all, then you're going to be hit with penalty. And the penalty will be a monthly penalty, and it's going to be per shareholder. So if you have an S Corp and you haven't filed your tax return for 2022 yet, and you cannot file by today, you have to file an extension. Now be aware, if you filed an extension, that does not mean you cannot file tomorrow or the day after if you're ready. It just like give you time, more time to file, because if you do not do that, then you will be hit with a penalty. The penalty is really a lot of money. So it will be actually 220 per month per shareholder. So if you are two people in the S Corp, you're going to be paying 220 times 2 per month. So try to avoid that. Don't do that. File an extension so you avoid paying penalty. Who wants to pay more money to IRS, right? Or do anything if you don't have to. So make sure you file an extension if you haven't done that yet. Also, partnership, the same thing. It's going to be 220 per month up to 12 months. Same thing for the S Corp, up to 12 months. So the maximum penalty you're going to get is 2,640 per partner or shareholder. I'm saying partner and shareholder just because if you're not familiar with this, for S Corp, every partner in the S Corp called shareholder. So in a S Corporation, you are a shareholder if you are a partner. If you are in a partnership, then you are a partner. So just different terminology. So it's going to be 220 per person for every month. So try to avoid that and make sure you file an extension. You can talk to your professional and ask them to file the extension for you if they have time. If they don't, you can reach out to us. We'll try to fit you in because the deadline is tonight. So we cannot guarantee it, but we will try. But you can also do it on your own. So just make sure you file an extension so you are not hit with penalty, and that will give you 6 months to file. And don't wait that entire 6 months. Try to do it as soon as possible. Now, I don't want to hold you back here so long today because I have a lot of returns and an extension to file today. Everything is due today. So just want to let you know that. Also, to elect, if your business is not an S Corp yet and you think or your accountant advised that is a good idea to be an S Corp, maybe tax planning and based on everything that you have, you know that S corporation election is a good strategy for your business, then also the deadline is today to elect that. So, and that can be retroactive from day one of the year, so from January 1st. That's what I want to cover. I want to make sure you guys don't actually get hit with penalties, because you're going to get that letter, and good luck dealing with the IRS. You have to pay it. And also, if you do owe any taxes, there's going to be penalty on that and interest. Now, with your S corp, you should not, you're not required to pay money, but that money is going to go to your personal return. I mean, not the whatever like you have on your corporate or partnership return is going to feed into your personal return. That means you might be owing taxes, you might get taxes, who knows? But if you end up owing taxes, you're going to have with interest. So you want to make sure to keep that in mind. Also, if you, what I was going to say, see, I just have to go. I have to go. Actually, just 1 second. Okay. Another thing, that's what I remember what I wanted to cover. If you do not provide a correct K1 for your shareholders or partners, also you will be hit with penalty. That is 290 per K1. You have to provide those K1s on time with correct information. Otherwise, you will be hit with $290 penalty for each shareholder or partner. Now, if that's only you, then you will be paying that. If it's like other shareholder and partners, the corporation or the partnership will pay that. So same thing, it's coming from you, right? So pay attention to that. Don't wait. Don't ignore this. If you need help, feel free to reach out to us. And for now, actually, I don't want to have you message me here. You can email. Let me just, okay, that does not have my email. Let me just try the email for you here. Oh, no, wait. Sorry, guys. If you are on IG, just go to the link tree. Otherwise, you can email me at noorasbooks.com. Hopefully, we won't miss your email today. I cannot promise, to be honest, because today is a crazy day. We're reviewing returns, filing new tax returns, filing tax returns, reviewing returns, and filing extensions. So we cannot promise you we can get to your return if you're not a client already. But we're not taking new returns today. Like if you have an extension, we can take your client. You can take you. But if you need an extension, we can file an extension for you if we don't miss your email. So if you email us, like you will get a confirmation from us. We will onboard you to our system. That's how you know we're not going to miss your return. But you have to be very responsive today, because we're going to be contacting you, and we need your signature information. So you have to be very responsive. Make sure to file an extension if you're not ready. That's all. That's the message today. I don't want to keep you here because I have to get going to my clients and doing those returns. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.